10 Laws of Financial Success. Money can work for you or against you. The difference? Knowing these 10 laws of financial success. Most people struggle financially, not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't know how to manage, grow, or protect their money. In today's video, I'll break down the 10 unbreakable laws that wealthy people follow and how you can apply them to your life. Let's dive in. 1. Control your money, or it controls you. Imagine you're driving a car with no GPS, no map, and no destination. Where do you end up? Nowhere. That's exactly what happens when you don't control your money. Most people spend first and think later, then wonder where their money went at the end of the month. If you don't take control of your finances, money will slip through your fingers like sand. Example: ever heard of people making millions but still going broke? Lottery winners and celebrities who mismanage their money end up bankrupt. Because making money isn't enough, you have to control it. Create a budget, tell your money where to go. Track your income and expenses. Every dollar should have a purpose. Use budgeting apps or a simple notebook. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. 2. Invest in knowledge, your best asset. Money can be lost, stolen, or spent, but knowledge stays with you forever, and it's the best investment you can make. Wealthy people are obsessed with learning about money, investing, and business. The more you know, the better financial decisions you'll make. Example: Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. Elon Musk learned rocket science from books. If billionaires prioritize learning, why shouldn't you? Read books about finance, business, and investing. Watch educational videos like this one. The more you learn, the more you earn. 3. Diversify income. One source is a trap. If all your money comes from one job, you're one paycheck away from being broke. Rich people never rely on a single source of income. They have multiple income streams, so they're financially secure no matter what happens. Example: imagine a table with only one leg. It's unstable and can collapse anytime. But a table with multiple legs? Solid and unshakable. That's what multiple income streams do for your finances. Start a side hustle, freelancing, online business, or real estate. Invest in stocks, crypto, or rental properties. Build passive income streams, money that works for you. 4. Take smart risks. Fortune favors the bold. Most people stay broke because they're too scared to take risks. But avoiding risks completely is actually the biggest risk of all, because it keeps you stuck. Example: starting a business might seem risky, but staying in a low-paying job forever is an even bigger risk. Investing in stocks can be scary, but keeping all your money in a savings account loses value due to inflation. And not all risks are equal. Learn, plan, and take calculated risks. Start small, but start. 5. Build a power network. Success is proximity. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you hang out with broke, negative, and unmotivated people, you'll absorb their mindset. But if you surround yourself with successful, driven, and financially smart people, you'll level up. Example: think about successful people. They always network. They build relationships that open doors to business opportunities, investments, and career growth. Connect with people who inspire you. Join business groups, attend seminars, and follow financial experts. Opportunities come from relationships. 6. Save to invest, not just to save. Saving is important, but saving alone won't make you rich, because money loses value over time due to inflation. Your money should grow, not just sit there. Example: if you saved $10,000 in 2000, it would be worth way less today due to inflation. But if you invested it in the stock market, it could be worth $50,000 or more. Save money, but don't stop there. Invest it. The stocks, real estate, businesses, put your money to work. 7. Avoid bad debt. Use good debt wisely. Not all debt is bad. Bad debt, like credit card debt and car loans, keeps you poor. Good debt, like business loans and real estate investments, makes you money. Example: buying a luxury car on credit? Bad debt. Using a loan to buy a rental property? Good debt, it makes you money. Avoid debt that doesn't make you money. Use good debt to build wealth. 8. Master delayed gratification. The secret to wealth? Sacrifice now, enjoy later. Poor people spend first and save later. Rich people invest first, then enjoy their wealth. Example: would you rather buy a $1,000 iPhone today or invest that money and make $10,000 later? You don't spend money just because you can. Invest first, then reward yourself later. 9. Adapt to change. The world moves fast. Technology, business, and money evolve constantly. If you don't adapt, you'll fall behind. Example: Blockbuster refused to adapt to streaming. Netflix took over. Many businesses failed because they didn't keep up with change. Stay updated on financial trends. Be flexible, adapt, or be left behind. 10. Give back. The more you give, the more you receive. Wealth isn't just about accumulating, it's about impact. The richest people in the world donate millions because they know the law of giving. Example: Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and Warren Buffett all give back, and they keep getting richer. Help others. Donate, mentor, or give value. Giving creates abundance. It always comes back. Which of these 10 laws will you start applying today? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more financial wisdom.